Hi everyone, and for today, I am going to share with you my daily devotion. It is from Proverbs 21 verse 3. Sabi dito, do what is right and fair, that pleases the Lord more than bringing Him sacrifices. Ang Panginoon after siya sa mga tamang desisyon mo, sa mga tamang gagawin mo. Dahil hindi lahat ng masaya ay tama. Mas madalas nga pag masaya tayo, nakakalimutan na natin na mali na yung ating ginagawa. Bumase pa rin tayo sa katarungan at hindi sa nakasanayan. We are created to obey than to bring our sacrifices to Him. Pag obedience kasi ang pinag-uusapan, nagre-reflect yan sa daily living natin. Daily living that will support what we are fighting for. Ito yung talagang may halaga and sa mga so-called sacrifices natin just to show other people that we are His follower. Dali siyang pikein. Kagaya ng hindi ka ng preaching every Sunday pero di mo kayang ipamuhay. Mas after ang Lord kung paano mo isasabuhay yung mga katuroan niya. And being good in making all things right and fair, ito yung nagbibigay ng katuwaan sa Panginoon. Kaya today, start on how to be fair enough seeing all those people that surrounds you. And the best and fair decision that you're going to make is to choose Him every day. Mga kapatid, dun tayo sa tama.